This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Ahmed Buzlami. Spectacular home is located in the beautiful neighborhood of the River Run subdivision. The home boasts over 2,021 square feet and includes 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2-car garage. This home has an excellent floor plan that includes a large great room and an updated kitchen that has granite countertops and wood cabinets. On the right side, the master suite boasts a large walk-in closet and a large bathroom with dual vanity. The left side of the house has 3 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. The home has an oversized backyard perfect for barbecue and family gatherings or for a future pool. The roof was replaced in 2015. Call today for a showing. Close to USF Hospital area, the new VA easy access to I-4, I-75, US 301, and all the best shops and dining. No flood insurance is required, and no HOA/deed restrictions. For a virtual tour, please visit https://my.matterport.com/show/?m=1bpgzli. For more information, review the details below or contact Ahmed Buzlami at 727-415-9062.